I haven't been posting this tutorial for over 2 months ago because I was bored making money. So alright, so today let's try to follow the pitch. Okay, so as you can see, I made this on part 2 on previous episode, so I'm just gonna show you how. But okay, the first thing you have to do is you have to follow the note and follow the instrument. So when I click, so yeah, you can make instrument like like that. So first, click this, hold shift, and left click on this area, and you can see yellow. You are selecting this. So hold Control and C, and click here, and Control V, and you have a double of this. Okay, and now you can change the pitch, right? Like when you click this one, but when this one's selected, you cannot change pitch while this thing, only the video is like the picture is selected but not the audio selected. But you have to click in here, or you can click like this if you want to. So you have to follow the pitch like so. Watch this. Okay, I click. So if you see this, you have to follow the note. So watch this. So I'm just gonna press the minus key. Oh, these are two bars, like minus key and the plus key, right? You can look at it on the keyboard where it has minus and plus symbols. So like plus is up pitch and minus is the down pitch, like low pitch. But the maximum of the pitch is minus 24 and plus 24. Like, yeah, let's do this. So I'm gonna press. As you can see, some of them has mistakes, so I'm just gonna hold Control and left click like that. Like this, so it aligns perfectly. And then I Control Shift on this and paste it to here. Like that. So yeah, you have to follow the notes. So okay, so let's try to test the demo. So as you can see, it follows the note. Let's try it with the BGM on. And then when I press this one, let's try the no BGM version. Just like that. Okay, and then gonna shift this here. Then and I copy paste shift. Click this. Oh, not this one. Not this. Sorry, I made a rud move. So you can just press Control plus Z to undo this part. So okay. I'm just gonna plus this up. And then I just okay. Okay, so there it goes. So now let's test it out. And there you have it. There it is. You have this thing. So nice work. Nice work following your notes like plus and minuses and make the notes right. So yeah. So as you see, it was the right note. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the episode 4. This is a quick tutorial of this, how to make the pictures right, and had to follow the notes. So I'll see you in episode 4. Bye. I'll see you in the next tutorial.